Hey, it's Rhonda Brozowicz here, and I just want to say this next video is going to blow your mind. If you are a person who does any sort of business marketing on Facebook at all, you have to watch this short little video because it is going to help you save so much time, so much money, and at the same time, you're going to be building your personal brand, your business brand, and you're going to be building that know, like, and trust factor and building relationships with your audience, and all at a one-time low fee. You have to watch this, and if you like this kind of content that I'm sharing here on my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to get notifications when I upload a new video. Hi, this is Rhonda Brozowicz, and I'm coming with you today to share a tool, Simple Social Sidekick, with you. This is a tool that I use every day, and I'm super excited because it's on a Black Friday special now through Cyber Monday. So anyways, once again, this is called Simple Social Sidekick, and as you can see here, there is a one-time payment, there are no monthly fees, and there are free upgrades for life. I love that because the developer of this Chrome extension actually keeps adding to it as people who are using it and entrepreneurs and companies are using this and they're telling him what else they would like. He keeps adding things into this software. So if you get this for this one-time low price, you are locked in forever with whatever upgrades he comes with. So normally the price for this is still only $149, but for Black Friday, I am able to offer you a special of only $139. And like I said, that is a one-time only payment. You never have to pay another fee, and you're locked into this. So why am I so excited about this? So are you ready to dominate and automate your Facebook marketing? Are you a business owner who uses Facebook to grow their know, like, and trust factor and their personal brand? This is going to save you time, tons of time, I can tell you from personal experience, and money. And it's going to also help you explode your income because you're going to be building your personal brand and people are going to start to know, like, and trust you. This is definitely the best CRM that I have seen. And like I said, it's all for one low price. I have seen other Facebook automation tools out there, and I have used a few of them. And they always have a monthly fee, $39, $49, $59, even $69 a month I've seen. And this tool does all, if not more, than the ones that I was using before. Like I said, never pay monthly fees again, and you will get free upgrades for life. It's important for you to contact me or click the button below this video and make sure that when you pay me through PayPal, that you include your name and email in the comments section so that I can set up your back office for you. I am able to offer this through one of the people that has a direct license holder. So that is why I am able to get this set up for you personally. If you were to go on Chrome extensions to purchase this software is over $500. So you can only get it through somebody who is licensed to sell this. And there's only a few of us. So, and like I said, I'll get this set up for you personally, get you started with some instructional videos. It's super easy to get set up so you can start running this right away. So what does this tool do? All these things are included, like I said, in that one-time price. It's a Facebook CRM. You can save your leads into a Facebook CRM tool. It is a bulk messenger. You can send tagged friends a custom message to engage with them. And you'll see what these tags mean as I go lower. It's an auto engager. So you can start engaging with your friends, and you can either leave comments or you can just leave likes or hearts or sad faces or whatever you choose. It's totally customizable. And the good thing I like about this auto engager over others that I found is that when you're using it, your comments are going to go by the emojis that are most being given on that post. So if it has the most likes, you're going to put in appropriate comments. If it is hearts, you're going to put appropriate comments. If it is sad faces, you're going to put in appropriate comments so that this is leaving the right kind of comments for that post. I do highly recommend that you do not use this exclusively. You should be going on, once a day or at least 5 days a week, by yourself also, and leaving more personalized comments. But this is going to save you tons of time. It's a friend seeker. You can add friends based on keywords to help build up your perfect audience for your business. Auto follow-up. You can follow up with your Facebook friends and leads automatically from your CRM. It's a birthday wisher. This is one of my favorite things. Some days I can have upwards of, over 20 people that have a birthday, and I love to, send birthday wishes. So this allows me to put in some personalized messages, and it's automatically going to blast those all out at one time. And sending people birthday wishes goes a long way. It's a big, day in their life. It's an auto greeter, so you can greet new friends with a custom message that's going to help you build relationships faster. Here's that tagging system that I was talking about earlier. So you can segment your friends with tags to make sure if you are going to use a bulk messenger, say you have different things you offer, you can tag them so that when you send out a message about something, only the people that were interested in that offer will get that message. That's extremely important. You don't want to be spamming people that weren't interested in something, right? You can schedule your posts ahead of time. They can even post while you're sleeping. So it's going to automatically post. You can do this in there. It's a bulk tagger. You can tag all members, all your group members on specific posts to make sure you see it. That's a huge time saver right there. It's a comment grabber. Add friends from posts and customize the message based on the group. It's a group converter. You can save group answers and email addresses and push them into Google Sheets. So this is great for your group. You can see who's interested in certain things. So this way, when you maybe come up with that content, then you can tag them and they will see that content that they were interested in. Like I said, there is much more you can do, and there's many more things coming. Here are a couple testimonials of people that have been using it, so you can see their testimonials. Ben, I've used many automation tools in my day, but never one with so many features. I have to agree. Like I said, I have used a few also, and this has the most features, and it also does not have that monthly payment. Okay, here's Christopher. Once I saw what it could do, I became a lifetime customer. There isn't better support team on the planet. This is a great tool, and I have to agree with both these gentlemen here. Like I said, for me personally, Simple Social Sidekick can save me, 2 to 3 hours a day, because I do use Facebook to market my business, and it can be very time consuming to build up, your audience so that they're seeing your posts, engaging on your posts, and that's how you're going to build it up without spamming people, right? So if you are interested in this tool, you can either DM me, or there will be a link below this video. And I'm happy to answer any other questions that you have. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.